Flak Jacket PRO DIY kits come in a variety of application-specific configurations and sizes. We even offer bulk quantities, volumes, and application methods for large-scale industry professionals. Some kits include spray guns. Others are made to use your own spray system or application methods such as a paintbrush or roller. Be sure to have everything you'll need ready before you start and before mixing the two Flak Jacket PRO bottles. The Part A Hardener comes in an 8-ounce plastic bottle with the perfect 3-to-1 ratio to mix into the Part B larger metal quart can with 24 ounces of the base component. Put on your personal protective equipment and you're ready to begin. Start by shaking the Part B metal base can to stir the settled materials. Carefully pour the smaller 8-ounce Part A Hardener into the larger metal Part B base can. Thread the lid onto the mixed metal can securely. Shake the can rigorously for at least 3 minutes. This ensures the now 32 ounces of components are completely mixed and bonded. You're now ready for the next step.